Hi, my crafty friends. It's me. You may know me from another channel where I show you how to make amazing art from recycled materials, including plastic bottle, flip-flops, and more. But now it's time for something new. Join me here for fun DIY sessions where we create exciting crafts using colorful plastic lids. Perfect for kids and super easy to do at home. Just remember, safety first. Little hands. Always ask an adult for help when needed. Now let's get creative. In today's episode, we're going to use these colorful plastic lids to make fantastic crafts that are perfect for kids. So gather your supplies, including your favorite markers, glue sticks, glitter, googly eyes, yarn, and scissors, and let's get started. First, we'll sort through all of our plastic lids. Ask an adult to help you wash and dry the lids before starting your craft. These are the lids that we will be using for our project. Look at all those vibrant colors. We have red, yellow, green, blue, and so many more. It sure would be fun to turn these lids into a colorful mosaic. To make a colorful lid mosaic, you will need plastic lids, cardboard boxes or paper, glue sticks, and a knife. An adult will need to cut down the cardboard box to your desired size and shape. I'm going to cut mine into a circle. If you don't have any cardboard, you could also use the back of a cereal box or even a paper plate. Now let's arrange our lids into a design. We're making a flower for the center of our mosaic. Here is one way you could arrange your lids. But if you want, you could make a sun, a butterfly, a fish, an animal, or anything you like. Carefully peel off a sticker from the lid and then use the glue stick to adhere the lid in place. Continue until your entire design is covered with plastic lids. This part is my favorite because you get to use all of the different colors. If you have any extra lids left over, you could always add a border to your mosaic. How beautiful. Look at all of those bright colors shining through. Your colorful lid mosaic is complete. Hang it up somewhere special and enjoy the happiness it brings you every time you see it. Now it's time to make some lid characters. To make lid characters, you will need plastic lids, permanent markers, googly eyes, and glue, glitter, stickers, yarn, or whatever else you wish to decorate your lids with. Permanent markers work best because they won't wash off. First, decide what type of face you would like your character to have. Do you want them to be happy, sad, silly, or cool? Next, use your markers to draw a face on the lid. Add details like hair, eyebrows, eyelashes, a nose, or whiskers. The possibilities are endless. My character has a big smile on her face because she's so happy to help kids get crafty. For extra personality, add glitter, googly eyes, stickers, yarn, or anything else you think might look fun. Once you finish decorating your lid, simply place it on your new friend. How adorable are these characters? They look so cute sitting on a shelf. You can make an entire family of lid characters, each with their own unique personality and style. Next, we'll turn our lids into a musical instrument with this lid wind chime craft. To make a lid wind chime, you will need plastic lids, a stick or hanger, string or yarn, scissors, and a knife. An adult will need to cut a triangle-shaped notch into each lid so that the string can fit through. Be careful when handling the scissors and knife. Ask an adult for help if you need it. Next, use the scissors to cut 3 lengths of string, one long enough to hang from the stick and 2 shorter pieces to tie the lids to the stick. Tie a secure knot at one end of the longer piece of string. Then thread the string through the notch in the lid and pull it tight. Repeat the process until you have attached all of the lids. Lastly, tie the 2 ends of the string together to form a loop. This is where you will attach the wind chime to the stick or hanger. Hang the wind chime in a location where it will catch the breeze. When the wind blows, the lids will gently dance in the air, creating a lovely sound. What a beautiful addition to our garden. Each time I hear the wind chime, I'm reminded of the joy of crafting with kids. We've created so many wonderful things today, and I know you're eager to try more. Let's take a moment to admire our finished crafts. Our colorful lid mosaic is complete. Look at all of those shiny colors. We turned everyday plastic lids into a piece of art. Our lid characters are ready to bring a smile to everyone's face. Their unique personalities shine through their colorful designs. And our lid wind chime is hanging gracefully in our garden, ready to dance in the breeze. The sound it makes reminds us of the joy of crafting together. I'd love to see what you made with your plastic lids. Share a photo of your masterpiece in the comments below and don't forget to hit that like button. Who knows, you might even see your creation featured in a future episode. Before we wrap up our crafting adventure, it's time for a special treat. It's time for show and tell. Share your plastic lid creations with the world. Tell us about your artistic journey and the techniques you used. Let's inspire each other and celebrate the power of creativity. And that's a wrap on another fun DIY session. I hope you enjoyed creating these fun crafts with me. Remember, there are no mistakes in crafting, only happy accidents. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects. Stay creative, my crafty friends. Until next time, keep on crafting. Hey, parents and teachers, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your ideas for our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest fun DIY sessions. Let's make crafting a fun and educational experience for kids everywhere. See you soon.